Everybody that posted up in the door breaking news update. Simon Ekpa, wey be the Prime Minister of Biafra, don finally break another World Guinness Book of Record. As I talk to you now, the Guinness Book of Record don full. There is no space to write anybody name again. Even the bag sef no be my mouth una wan for hear this one. Make una hear from the horse's mouth itself wetin Simon Ekpa just you do. So this one honestly e pass me and e shock me. This is what I call Simon Ekpa can never stop breaking record and amuse and put gongonteria government intention mental for some mentality. God e don red.
Congratulations to all Biafrans all over the world, especially those in USA and Finland. Please, as you watch this video, try to share this video, make this video go viral. Make this video go viral. So during the time they inaugurated Biafran office in USA, Biafran government in USA, I make a video that Biafra government in USA, that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, has made a good move. That as time goes on, we will start getting our passport from that place. Unfortunately, today he announced about the passport, which you see there now, which you see here. He announced the passport. Let me tell you, you will not know how bad this passport is until you take it to any embassy or to any country or to any airport around the world. Automatically, anywhere you take this passport to, you are a suspect. Anywhere you take this passport to, you are a suspect. The Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, has just announced that those of you in USA and in Finland can now go to Biafran office there to obtain your passport, and your database will be collected. That as time goes on, the thing will be spread to other countries around the world. That is a good move. That is a good move. Share this video out for others to watch as well, for others to know what is going on. Please, Simon Ekpa has done a lot in this struggle. Those of you who believe DOS, that very small thing you will see them say DOS is wise, then let them show us the wiseness of them. They are wise. That's what we want. Don't keep. All of us should come together to support Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister. He has done a lot. He has done a lot. Let's support him. He needs our support. Financially, spiritually, physically, and otherwise. He needs our support. Understand? So now, the other one you are seeing, all those healers you see now on this screen, are the new healers that is just arriving. That is to tell you that as time goes on, very soon, I know the atmosphere will change about Biafra. There is Simon Ekpa. As in, if you are following what Simon Ekpa is doing, you will definitely be convinced that he has done a lot. I don't know how we believe that if our leader, Nnamdi, will come out from DSS dungeon to be against Simon Ekpa with everything, with all the evidence of things that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, has done. I don't think it works that way, because our leader, Nnamdi, always said that whatever you will do to make Biafra come, definitely he will support you. He said, if you